In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ArcGIS Pro 3.7 on your PC. First of all, open your web browser and search for ArcGIS Pro download. Once you search, you'll see the official ArcGIS website at the top of the search results. Click on it to continue. After the website opens, click the free trial button at the top of the page. On the next page, click the Sign Up Now button.
Now, fill in all the required personal information, including your first name, last name, business email address, company name, organization type, and any other details they ask for. Make sure all the information is entered correctly before submitting the form. Once you complete the registration, Esri will send you an email containing the download link. Open the email, download the installer, and then go to your Downloads folder. After the download is complete, extract the downloaded file and wait for the extraction process to finish. Once it's done, start the installation. Open the ArcGIS Pro installer and follow the same installation steps shown in this video. Simply do exactly what I'm doing on the screen. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on your computer's performance, so please be patient and wait until it is fully completed. Once the installation is finished, launch ArcGIS Pro and sign in with the account you created to activate your free trial. That's it! You have successfully downloaded and installed ArcGIS Pro 3.7 on your PC. Enjoy using the free trial version. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.